concrete has a capillary action which allows water to pass through. Due to this, buildings suffer leakage from terraces, toilets, and other surfaces exposed to water. Therefore, waterproofing needs to be done in these areas, and this waterproofing should be effective and also last a long time. Compared to the total construction cost, the cost of waterproofing the wet areas is minuscule. Therefore, we should use the best possible solution. Presenting Asmacoat Wp 900 and Asmacoat Wp 810, the perfect solution. Wp 900 is a high-performance, liquid-applied, pitch-modified, single-component moisture-curing polyurethane coating. Wp 810 is a pure polyurethane coating. Both Wp 900 and Wp 810 are ideal for use in basements and foundations, roofs, terraces and balconies, car and plaza decks, planter boxes, internal wet areas like kitchens and bathrooms, fountains, swimming pools, retaining walls, etc. They can also be used in sewage works and tanking applications in areas where aggressive groundwater conditions prevail. Asmacoat Wp 900 and Wp 810 provide complete protection in several ways. Being a single component product, they are ready to apply from the can. Therefore, there is less chance of error in application, as you do not have to control the quality of any mixing at site. Liquid application means that the application is quick and easy. It can be easily applied around any complex shapes, and we get a seamless waterproofing membrane with no joints. They also offer easy maintenance. Mechanical damage to the membrane can be easily repaired by spot application. Being optimum viscosity grade, they can easily be applied by brush, roller, or airless spray to horizontal and vertical surfaces. Both products are designed to have optimum performance and high elasticity. Asmacoat Wp 810 has an elongation of 200%, while Wp 900 has an elongation of 600%. Therefore, they easily cover hairline cracks that occur in concrete surfaces and can easily accommodate the thermal movement in structures over a wide range of temperatures. Due to all these reasons, the waterproofing coatings of Asmacoat Wp 900 and Wp 810 last for several years. Let us see the use of these products. The application method for Asmacoat Wp 900 and Wp 810 is exactly the same. Therefore, let us see the application process with Wp 900 in a bathroom. Wp 900 is the ideal solution to protect the entire splash zone. This is from the floor to a height of 15 centimeters above the tiling level, and in the shower area up to the height of the shower. Proper surface preparation is of the utmost importance. Ensure that the surfaces are sound and fully cured. Carry out an acoustic check with a nylon hammer and remove any loose plaster. Clean the application surfaces to remove all dust, oil, latents, and other contaminants. All protrusions should be removed to level the surface. Remove the debris with a broom. Collect the fine dust with a vacuum cleaner. If there are any cracks in the surface, widen them with an angular grinder to form a V groove by running the grinder twice. Then fill them with a polymer-modified cement sand mortar. All right-angle bends must have a coving or angle fillet of 25 mm by 25 mm. For this, use a polymer-modified cement sand mortar. Finally, after the angle fillets and repaired areas cure fully, Clean the surface with a high-pressure water jet. Remove the excess water and wait for the surface to dry completely. Priming is normally not required on good quality concrete substrates. However, porous concrete, PVC surfaces, metal surfaces, etc. will require priming. Use a 1:1 mixture of Asmacoat Wp 900 and Asmacoat Wp solvent as a primer. Allow it to dry for 6 to 8 hours. 2 coats of Asmacoat Wp 900 have to be applied on the entire surface. However, an extra third reinforcing pre-treatment coat is needed in some areas like water outlets, angle fillets, etc., which have more stringent waterproofing requirements. First, complete the extra coat in these critical areas, starting with dressing of the angle fillets. Using a 4-inch paint brush, apply a coat of Wp 900 on the angle fillets. Cover at least 50 mm on either edge of the angle fillet. While the coat is still wet, cover it with a stripe of 40 GSM fiber mesh, cut to the correct size, and press it to soak it in the membrane. Immediately, in areas like terraces, there are usually metal and PVC elements like service pipes, etc. Such surfaces should also be made clean of paint, oils, rust, and other contaminants of at least 150 mm and a distance of at least 100 mm around it. As before, cover the wet coat with a stripe of 40 GSM fiber mesh and immediately saturate the fiber mesh with another coat of Wp 900 until the mesh is fully covered. For all these pre-treatment areas, allow curing for 12 hours before applying further coats of Wp 900. Now, 2 coats of Asmacoat Wp 900 have to be applied on the entire surface. Using a 4-inch paint brush, apply the first coat of Wp 900. Apply on vertical surfaces also till a height of 15 cm from the final tiling level. The brush movement should all be along x-axis only. In the shower area, apply Asmacoat Wp 900 on the vertical surfaces till a height of at least 2.2 meters. This will cover the entire splash zone and ensure complete waterproofing to all the vertical surfaces as well. Allow this coat to dry till it is tack-free. But do not wait beyond 48 hours for the second coat. Now apply a second coat of Wp 900. The direction of this coat must be along the y-axis. The minimum dry film thickness in 2 coats should be 1 mm. The final coating must cure for at least 48 hours. A flood test may now be carried out. Close all drains and fill water up to 50 mm height. Keep the water for at least 48 hours. Now check for leakage or dampness in the water outlets from the external side and ceilings in the rooms below. A protective screed should be laid on top of the coated floor. Lay a PVC sheet loosely on the floor to protect the coating from damage during laying of the screed. A 50 mm screed using M25 concrete is now laid to proper slope. After 48 to 72 hours, tiling may be carried out as required. Let us see the precautions to be taken when using Asmacoat Wp 900 and Asmacoat Wp 810. Ensure that you apply Wp 900 and Wp 810 only on totally cured and sound substrates which are completely clean and dry. All expansion and movement joints must be sealed with Asmaco PU90 and then given an extra third pre-treatment coat with fiber mesh reinforcement. Do not apply Asmacoat Wp 900 and Wp 810 in strong wind or when the temperature drops below 5 degrees Celsius. Also, don't apply them when rain is forecast or during high humidity. Wp 900, Wp 810 and Asmacoat Wp solvent contain flammable solvents. Do not use near an open flame or smoke during use. Always ensure that after application and curing, the coating is protected by SCREED, tiling or protection boards. Most importantly, always wear protective clothing and use safety gear like helmet, eye protection, breathing mask, gloves, and safety shoes during application. Avoid product contact with eyes and skin. Asmacoat Wp 900 and Asmacoat Wp 810. Two highly versatile products for meeting all your demanding waterproofing needs in a variety of challenging situations. With over 60 locations in 46 countries, Anchor Allied Factory Limited has a global presence. For further information, please contact Anchor Allied.